So hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about this license key formatting Leetcode problem number 482. The problem states that you are given a license key representing a string as that blah 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 blah. So rather than reading the paragraph, I think I should directly take the inputs and give you the solution. So what we need to do exactly, we are given this input of which consists of alphanumeric values and dashes. So what we need to do, and we are given a value such as k. What we need to do, we need to group these characters into k groups, like if I have a, b, dash, c, d, dash, e, and if we are given a value, for example 2, we need to group all of these elements into 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. As we can see, it's already 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We have one condition, so the leftmost group can have one or n number of characters, 1 or k. So let us see how we are going to solve this. So we are just going to loop over this string from the ending. I'll first of all write the string in front of me. Then we are going to start reading the string from the ending. Now I'm going to keep a count in this out variable. So there will be a condition. I'm going to check this. If this is dash, no. So if I found w, I'm also going to keep a track of k. So t will be equal to k for now 4. So if I found any non-dash character, I'm just going to decrement it. So I'm here now. I have a dash. I'm just going to ignore it. I go here. I found an alphanumeric character. I'm going to decrement t. I'm going to add this into 9. Then I come here. I see a dash, I'm going to ignore it. I come here, I see E, I'm going to add it. I'm going to decrement this. I'm here now, and I can see it's 2. I'm going to add it. I'm going to once the T becomes 0, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a dash into this, and I'm going to reassign T to 4, to K, basically. After I do this, I'm just going to decrement. There's a dash, ignore it. There's a 2, add it, decrement this to 3, decrement this to 2, and add it. F, add it, and decrement this. Add it, and decrement this. So if t becomes 0, we are going to add this dash in the ending. But if there is a dash in the ending, we are going to remove it later on, and we are going to reverse this out variable and return it. Simple. So this was the solution. Let us code it, understand how we can do. For int I is equal to size of s dot size minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So if I'm going to check if s of I equals to a dash. If it's not a dash, what I'm going to do, I'm going to out plus equals, then to upper, and then s of I. Okay, cool. Now after adding up, I'm going to decrement t. I haven't declared it. Let's declare t. And t is equal to k. I'm going to decrement it. After decrementing it, I'm going to check if t is equal to 0. What I'm going to do, reassign t to k and add a dash into out like this. Okay. After the loop ends, we may have a dash in the ending of the out. We just have to remove it. First of all, we'll check out is not empty. So if out is not empty, out dot back equals dash. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pop out dot pop back, and then I'm going to reverse this out dot begin and out dot end, and at the ending I'm going to return this out. Let's run this code once again. So yeah, it has been accepted. Yo, it also runs. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got the solution. All the best for your solution. Without, I don't provide the code because I don't want you to copy paste, rather than understand this stuff and code it by yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.